Good morning, my dear students of class 8th. Welcome to my English class. Myself Narinder Kaur from UPS Kralgund, your English teacher. Okay बेटा, जैसे कि हमने पिछले एक दो रोज से अपना टॉपिक लिया था द अनथैंकफुल मैन, जो कि एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी थी, एक अनग्रेटफुल क्रीचर के बारे में थी, जो पंचतंत्र से ली गई थी और आपकी बुक ट्यूलिप सीरीज़ में इंक्लूड की गई है। तो बेटा हमने वो टॉपिक जो है वो कंप्लीट कर दिया। तो आज हम उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। सो ऑल ऑफ यू ओपन योर नोटबुक्स एंड बी अटेंटिव एंड राइट डाउन what was question number first, what was Raman's wife fed up with? शाबाश, लिखो इसका आंसर। she was fed up with poverty, POVERTY, poverty. She was fed up with poverty. ठीक है बेटा। Then question number second, what did Raman see when he peeped into the well? What did Raman see when he peeped into the well? तो क्या है? He saw a tiger, comma, a monkey, comma, a snake, and a goldsmith, GOLD, gold, SMITI, smith, in the well. ठीक है बेटा। Then question number third, why was Raman scared of the snake? वो स्नेक से क्यों डर रहा था रमन? लिखिए इसका आंसर बेटा। He feared, FEARED, he feared that if he pulled, PULLED, pulled the snake out of the well, the snake out of the well, comma, the snake might, MIGIT, might bite, BITE, bite him, the snake might bite him and he would die, ठीक है बेटा। Now question number fourth, what did monkey do when Raman was hungry? The monkey brought, BROUGHT, the monkey brought sweet and juicy mangoes from the tree and gave them to Raman. फिर से मैं रिपीट करूंगी। The monkey brought, BROUGHT, brought sweet, 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 and juicy, JUICY, juicy mangoes from the tree and gave them to Raman. ठीक है बेटा। Question number 5, what did the tiger give him? लिखो बेटा। The tiger gave him a necklace, NECKLACE, the tiger gave him a necklace. ठीक है बेटा। Question number 6, what did the goldsmith do when Raman showed him the necklace? The goldsmith ने क्या किया? शाबाश, लिखो। The goldsmith asked Raman, GOLD, gold, SMITI, smith, asked, ASKED, asked Raman to wait for him at the shop, and he himself went to the king to complain, COMPLAIN, complain against, AGAINST, against Raman. ये मैं फिर रिपीट करूंगी। The goldsmith asked Raman to wait for him at the shop, and he himself went to the king and he himself went to the king to complain against Raman. ठीक है, लिखा बेटा, शाबाश. Question number 7. How did Raman cure the queen? How did Raman cure the queen? Raman, लिखो, Raman cured, C-U-R-E-D, cured the queen of the snake bite. Queen of the snake bite by touching her forehead. By touching her forehead. Raman cured the queen of the snake bite by touching, T-O-U-C-H-I-N-G, touching her forehead, F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. Then question number last. What did the king send the goldsmith to jail? Why did the king send the goldsmith to jail? लिखो, the goldsmith had framed, F-R-A-M-E-D, framed wrong charges against, W-R-O-N-G, wrong charges against innocent, I-N-N-O-C-E-N-T, innocent Raman, who had once saved his life, full stop. So the king sent goldsmith to jail. Okay, so the king sent goldsmith to jail. ओके बेटा, ये हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कंप्लीट हो गए. अब लैंग्वेज वर्क है, वी विल डू इट टुमारो. ओके, थैंक यू.